Right, so you need to call him to get him to move.
Winsty! Well, I'd have to take it from him. He's
Oh,
not
call
gonna
him.
Winsty, come here. He's not gonna come to
Well,
me.
take it, and have him come get it.
Uh-oh. He's got a hold of it too tight. Come here, Winsty. Winston. Come here. Winston, come get him. Come on. Get it. Get him. Right here. Get him. Good boy.
Well, he's not getting it now.
Get him, Winston.
Good boy, Winsty.
Good boy, Winston. What a good boy.
I don't know if it's gonna look like.
Can you see the balloon in that too?
Mm-hmm.